Wait. Audio got something to say?
Yes, I have something to say.
Oh, wow. Are you touched? Are you touched?
I've actually prepared a few words for OT. Can you hear me? Yes. And I planned some serious quotes. I didn't expect this setting. So, you know OT why we celebrated you?
Yes.
I don't know if you know that everywhere in the world, Sweden 50 years is extremely important. It's the birthday we celebrate the most, I think, of all birthdays. And then you say a few words to the person who's having his birthday. And when I met OT the first time, it was over the phone. And you remember our interview?
Yes.
And OT told me that he preferred selling, that he thought that we should change our model to selling directly.
I remember.
And I think, you know me, what I think about that, so he must have had some other qualities why he hired him, no? And I also know that he thinks that I always speak too much. But he'll be short. And there is another thing, I don't know if you know that OT, he doesn't like to get compliments. Something which is very difficult, huh? But I think if we look at OT, I think we have a few thoughts coming to our mind now. Which is, first I think it's fruit. And then I think it's food. And I think that's one of the things that it's very nice traveling with OT because you know that you will always get good food. We've had some very, very nice breakfasts. In India, for example, we share the passion for dosa. I think that is very much connected to another thing. You can learn a lot of things from OT. I feel that I've learned many things from OT. And one thing is that when you're around, there's always positive energy. And there's always very good laughs. And I think that you know how to enjoy life. And I think you said it to us today. You said that Stefan and I wanted to work, and OT said, we need some work-life balance. I want And I think that is something, you are one of the persons I know that is the best in enjoying life. And with that comes also something else. So first I have one thing for you. That's connected to the food.
Oh, food. Okay.
Yes. But it's not food actually. I have a bottle for you. So which I brought with me.
Wait. Hold on, wait. She's trying.
Outside! But it's not for tonight. Because this is a bottle from the village I live. And it's from 2001. It's a very, very red wine bottle. So you should enjoy it at home. But don't wait too long because it's getting into its best period. So here you are. And then the other quality in terms of enjoying life, I think that what I also learned from OT is that we don't always see things the same way. And he tells me, Bodil, when I know you, you're not always open enough. You have too strong opinions. And I think he's right in the sense that OT is very good at looking at things from the other side and finding alternative solutions. That's also something I enjoy a lot about you. And then the third thing, which is very much OT as well, that he's very curious. And that's a good thing because you learn a lot of things by being curious, I think. He was today when you were giving the gift with the tree. The tree was, and I knew what tree it was. He was directly saying, "Could you show me the tree on the internet so I can see what tree it is?" But sometimes you're too curious. Because when we were walking here, or when I'm coming, and he was twice asking me, what do you have in the bag?
Many times.
And I said, I have my coat here. Well, there's once a lifetime I'm allowed to give you a gift on behalf of Axis. It's either when you're turning 50, or if you're not in the company when you're turning 50, we're allowed to give it when you're turning 60. This is behalf, I could be here when you're turning 60 as well, but this is behalf of Axis for your 50th birthday. When somebody's celebrating somebody's birthday, we're doing a hurrah, you know that, and in the south of Sweden we do it 3 times. Yeah. So we do hip hip, hurrah, hurrah, hurrah.
You a speech? No, except
I have. Do you want to know what's the wish? That is that North Asia and South Asia Pacific can have a tremendous year in 2011, and we can have this celebration again. Before I open this, I would like to have a few words as well. This is really a surprise. And you know, I was a bit curious about Bodhi carrying the bag with coats, and I was asking her, do you feel really that cold? She says it's feeling really cold because it's covering the present with her sweater. And you see, she put up her hand, my hand is so cold. So she's not only a good boss but a good actor. Second thing I want to say is I feel really fortunate to work for Axis. In many ways, because Axis is a great company to work for. Not only from the perspective that we have good products, but it's a company that promotes work-life balance. One thing is good, right? It's good. It's very good. I've been forcing our staff to go on leave. And the other fortunate thing of working for Axis is a Swedish company. In Asia, turning 50 is not as big thing as in Sweden. So I was fortunate. And by the way, I'm not 50 yet, it's next week.
And you would spend your birthday
in Sweden. Yeah. So I'm going to be on a plane during my birthday, and that shows my dedication to work.
I had the same experience last year.
Me too. I had the same experience last year.
Yeah, when you turn 50, you'll get this.
I have to wait for 2 more years.
So, lastly, thank you very much for being good colleagues, and I hope to be around with Axis when I'm 60.
What's the retirement age in Axis?
What do you think it is?
62, is it?
Guess what it is.
I hope it's not a M10.
It's a camera. Curious. The pizza box.
Either it's something from Paris.
From Paris?
We'll see. Wrong guess.
Eiffel Tower. Okay, every wrong guess you make.
Enjoy your week.
Every wrong guess you make, you need to take a seat.
Oh, it's a...
It's not even an M10, it's a bullshit.
Wait.
It's an annual.
Wait, Korea. Every wrong guess, you have to take 1 seat.
Okay,
first attempt. First attempt.
Okay, 3 attempts if I don't get it.
Bottom up.
You know,